car, I was like, wow, a lightweight sports car. But I definitely can't avoid a BRZ or FRS at the time, so I looked at other alternatives, and that's how I found the Miata. And pretty much, I started looking around, and it was about 6 or 7 years ago when the prices weren't that high, and I found this one in San Diego for about $1,000 bucks. So I went down there, grabbed the tow truck and trailer, and brought it home. Let's start with the engine. It's kind of a mild build. It started out with a 94-95 block with forged 10.5 to 1 compression pistons, and then the head is from a later Miata BP4W. Also have the Toyota Corolla plug ignition system. Also a coolant reroute from Flying Miata, and I am also running a MS3 microscope. So for my front aero, I have a race square components front splitter with the KSC front splitter mount, and then if you want to go over here, my tire wheel package is NS2Rs from Nankang and the Koenig freeform wheels. I do have fender vents from Spike Performance. Also, suspension mods are 949 Racing Zeta Coilovers and polyurethane bushings. So let's start with the door card. It's custom made. It's held on by Velcro just because it works and it looks cleaner. 3D printed door handles and strap from Matos Motors from eBay. So then we'll go further into the interior. There's a roll bar from Xeric Fabrication. It's a 4-point roll bar with a harness bar. And then you'll have a Sparkle Sprint fixed bucket seat with Scroff racing harness, a Sparco 330mm steering wheel. The gauge is stock, but I changed the LEDs to show an orange color, an AM AFR gauge, oil temp gauge, and a water temp gauge. I have a Manlines Racing fixed wing, also a bumper cut. Behind the bumper cut I have a Xeric Fabrication bash bar. Also for exhaust I have Flowmaster. I have home tracking coming up, so I'm going to go do that. And after that, I'll probably have to kind of tear some stuff apart to take a look at everything, refresh what's needed, because it's been like a year and a half, 2 years since I put everything together and tracking it consistently. So after that, possibly running some gauges to kind of bring the interior up to a more modern look, and possibly a new wrap.